Hi, I'm Chanel Smalls, and this will be the first segment of my Family First session. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. How are you doing today? My name is Chanel Smalls, and I'd like to welcome you all. Is everyone comfortable? Is the seating okay? That the way it's set up? Um, so before we begin, would each of you mind just introducing yourself? I do have your names here written down, and I've read a little bit about your family, but let's, how you feel about introducing yourself? Um, and we can start here on this side of the room. Okay. Again, pleased to meet each and every one of you. And I want you to all know that whatever happens in this session is confidential between everyone in this room, and nothing leaves this room unless I feel that someone wants to harm, is going to harm themselves or harm someone else. Okay, so Mom, since you are the person that actually initiated this meeting, how about I start with you and, just tell me a little bit how you're feeling right now. So, I hear you saying that you're a little overwhelmed in the home, and you would like a little more help. Is that about right? Yeah. Yeah. All right. Thank you. And Dad, how are you feeling today? Feel a little upset about situation with your daughter. Okay. I can understand that. Well, that's why we're here today, so we can, try to, figure out some things, and maybe, you guys can come up with some goals moving forward. Hey, son, you want to speak about your feelings? Are you just angry? Okay. I get it. I get it. And young lady, are you okay today? What's going through your mind? Okay, so this is your counselor from the inpatient facility asked for. Okay, I get it. Okay. So let's see what type of goals we can, that's workable and achievable. Let's each one of you come up with maybe one or two, one goal apiece. We'll start off small. Okay? All right. Welcome to the second session. So, Mom and Dad, how about we all try and let's do a breathing exercise. What do you guys think? Let's take in some deep breaths and exhale. We can do that a couple times. Uh, Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So what does that do? How does that make you feel a little more calmer, or does it work for you? Okay. See? You like that, huh, Dad? Okay. Yes. So, let's talk about, let's try to find some ways to try to, where everybody in the family can come together and have shared responsibilities in the house. And let's also think about um, planning. Maybe you have a family like where you guys, nothing expensive. You go out and play some game. You come together. You can cook dinner together or play some games, something like that. To alleviate some of the stress that some of you may be carrying around because of school or work. Um, and let's try to designate maybe one night a week where the whole family comes together as a whole. You can play cards, games like Monopoly, eat dinner, have conversations with one another on how, everything's going. What you think about that? Oh, okay. Everybody can be in agreement with that. Okay. Hello, this is the third and final segment, sorry. So, it seems like I think this went pretty well. How do you guys feel? Oh, great, 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 great. So I'm going to suggest, and I have these booklets that I'm going to give out to each one of you. I'm going to suggest that in whatever part of the day that you feel that you want to do it, and even with that breathing exercise that I gave you, inhale when you're feeling overwhelmed. Um, just stop, give yourself a moment and inhale and exhale. Do it for about maybe 5 minutes. However long you feel comfortable with it. And then I want you to take these booklets that I'm passing out to you guys, and the goals that we talked about that you guys came up with. You can write them in. Write them in. I want you to keep a journal. And then I also want you to, when you think you might be feeling overwhelmed, write down the feelings that you're having at that time, and and we can discuss it at next week's session. So for the next week, that's what I would like for you to do, and also the goal of having a family night. Want to put together that you come in a collaboration. So it sounds like, because this is Tuesday, so it sounds like this Sunday is a good day for you guys. So next Tuesday we'll talk about how that also went, and if you want to continue to keep doing that, as a family. And then, also, you came up with having dinner together, maybe regularly. So maybe, I know sometimes, Dad, you have late night hours, so maybe, y'all can try to get 2 nights in this week and have conversations. So, I think that seems like a plan. What do you guys think? Okay, so I'll see you next week. We'll go over your journals, and this is your homework for this week. And again, it was a pleasure meeting you.